Giga. It's a pack opening, guys. First pack. Who does we get? Blah, blah, blah. We have got a free gold pack, I saw, I think. First decent pack. Some Ps3 around Jasper's house. We're doing a hunt for an inform. I'll be doing some more a bit later. If you have any ideas how to get decent players in packs, just leave it in the comments or something. Let's get one of this. I'm not getting any of these. Wait, is that another free gold pack or so? No. It's a bit cool. I'm getting shitty packs. Oh, I should have opened that one. Oh well. So a free pack here, probably the best pack.
Yeps. Yeps. I like yeps. 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 Shit.
Oh. So we have got how many? 1,625 FIFA points.
Best balance on top.
That was alright. Jovetic and Welbeck.
4-3 might go for something.
Say Welbeck for okay. They go for 950 coins now.
I'll keep it.
Do you?
Yeah. I like that.
So that was an okay pack. Hey, you got Fabio Contrao as well.
Where?
Oh no, that's Ricardo Galaria. Sorry about the dodgy recording, guys.
This is going to be crap as well. Gago. Yeah. Not Gago.
You got a squad fitness there.
I'm so happy I've got Gago. He's my favourite player.
Yeah, Gago goes for nearly 40k, guys.
Gold. Who the fuck was that?
Carlos Alberto, I think.
What do I want him? I don't want
Maybe
him,
he's got 5-star skills.
I want Ronaldo in.
Yeah, he's got 5-star skills. He might go for a bit.
I want Ronaldo in form.
You just want an inform.
Yeah. Quick sir.
Quick, so Ronaldo inform.
Send it to trade one game. See if we get any silvers.
For a silver inform now. Oh, he looks quite good. He might go for a bit. He's got 69 dribbling. Yeah. Oh yeah, well, 69 dribbling, mate. Eh?
Son.
It's amazing.
99 dribbling, amazing.
That's what we need. You got 27k.
I thought I'd be on the sale. On the sale for 700.
Don't have a team at the moment. This is the person we're trying to get. Or him. Or him. Or him.
Definitely Mandela.
Yeah, we'll save up for him.
And keep it. I forgot him in the back.
Yeah, but I'd say him to get Grower back. Yeah, guys, if there's any Connors, just get everyone on your friends to report them. Soon get banned.
Sango.
What I said, Sanya.
Said Sango and it was in Team of the Week, I'll cry. 442, I got to. Hold on, is that manager? That's right.
That's it. Go for Brooks.
Just like 2k. I don't care how much goes for me.
Oh, quick save our Spurs badge. Please. Yes, please.
Yeah.
Thank you. Quick save it singly. Yep. Screw you, Spurs. Sorry if there's any Spurs supporters out there, but Arsenal just better. You've got just under 1,000 left now. Matty, go always get him back. Oh,
What?
I thought that informs. No, that silver was it, so yeah, quite good. For a second. Oh, you got Figueroa, he got 500 coins. Hey? Didn't he? He does an Xbox. I've been making profits on him. I make profits on non-rare BPL players. Oh, yeah, guys, profits on BPL players. Basically, just bid up to 400 coins on them unless it's like David Luiz. Then if you put
Larson, I want Ronaldo.
buy now 500, 750.
Whoa, that is a lot of fitness cards.
Most of it is on. Get money. I've made 20k on it already. I've been doing it for a day. Best centre back in the world, Dennis.
Who?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Veronica.
I just want something good. The £35 this is worth of back. Rues!
Striker, striker, striker. Oh. How much did you go for on this?
I know, don't care.
You gonna keep him? The best back so far?
I think he goes for 10k.
Really? He goes for about 4 on the Xbox. In centre forward. Goes for about 10, I think.
Oh, I'm applying that to Rues and I'll go for like 12. More probably. Hold on, no, I won't. That's bad. Yeah, that's bad.
Yeah, Jasper's man, the sea spur.
Yeah.
That's your shit. That's right.
I think he's in. No. Oh no, he's not. He was in last week's.
What?
Oh no, he has an inform.
No, he doesn't.
Yeah, he does. He does.
Who?
He
Oh.
does.
Thought you were talking about Nazareth then.
5% fit, more like 0.1.
Yeah, I'm going to be opening some packs on the Xbox there because I've got some as well. I'll be uploading some more videos of us in Waterlooville. Let me know open some packs in a bit. Jess,
Hmm?
do you want me to open some packs in a bit? Open
I've only got 350. You can open one, yeah. Pack of doublers, yay. I like pack of doublers.
So Mr. Labba Dabba.
How much trade bars for? Well, I've got quite a few contracts, I'm happy.
34k?
200 coins though.
Okay, should we just open some?
2 gold packs.
I was going to say we could open one of them and a silver one. Okay, hold on. I have to get the Oxford Chamberlain on it.
Benzema, Messi's good.
Probably won't get anyone decent, but if I get Ronaldo. Hold on.
Oh, I had him on the iPod. He's actually quite good. but I
Trying
don't
to
want
quick
to.
save everything.
Yeah, nothing good.
One
Can't get the
pack.
contracts. Consumables and everything's full.
You have to get Oxford Legion.
Messi, Benzema.
Shall I?
Yeah, might as well.
Come on. Oh.
Someone good, please.
I thought about 7 man down there for a second.
Oh, if it was Mandanda, I would have screamed. Fuck you.
Shit. Okay, that was the PS3 pack opening, guys. See you later. And subscribe.